From this vantage point, the sheer scale of the operation is clear. Thousands of camels are reared here, deep in the desert environment.
Building trust is essential when working with large animals like him. He responds very well to gentle contact and a calm voice.
The dromedary camel, often known as the Arabian camel, is instantly recognizable by its single hump. These dromedary camels are incredibly adapted to the arid environment you see here. They can go weeks without water.
Bactrian camels, perfectly adapted to this harsh environment, carry their heavy loads across the dusty terrain.
From this low angle, the heat haze shimmers. The camels wait patiently, their ancient rhythms undisturbed by the sun's glare.
Spanning vast stretches of the arid desert, this facility houses thousands of dromedary camels.
Drink up, little buddy. That's it, get strong.
Easy now, easy. It's just a little paste. Good boy, that's it. You did great.
We're getting a good view of the soft tissue structures. As you can see here, there's no fluid buildup or inflammation noted at this time.
There you go. Drink all the milk. You are such a good calf.
These dromedary camels are enjoying their midday meal of dry hay. They are incredibly efficient eaters, perfectly adapted to this arid environment.
I wish they'd let us out of here.
The grass is always drier on the other side of the fence, isn't it?
The camel, uniquely adapted to the desert, chews its food slowly, extracting every bit of moisture.
Camels can drink vast amounts of water in a short time, essential for their survival in this arid landscape. Under the relentless desert sun, the camels find refuge in the small oasis, a vital source of shade and water in this arid landscape. Harnessing the power of the sun, this building is a testament to our commitment to renewable energy and green spaces.
The dromedary camel must be carefully guided through the decontamination corridor before we begin the analysis.
Keep the lead taut and watch your footing on the wet concrete. Make sure the gate is secure. As you can see on the display, the weight is stabilizing now. That confirms the reading. We can move her.
Stand still. Easy, boy. Stand still now. Hold it.
Vitals confirmed stable. Initiating lateral transfer sequence.
Sequence active. Moving to docking bay 3.
The Felletti system ensures a smooth, uninterrupted flow, maintaining peak efficiency and hygiene standards from start to finish.
Sawing through the spine now. Keep the pressure on this side.
Applying antimicrobial wash to section 3. Recording the application time and verifying temperature logs on the manifest now.
Our state-of-the-art facility processes the meat with maximum precision, utilizing these automated conveyors to streamline the entire operation.
This is the midline dissection stage. Technicians carefully remove the internal organs for inspection before the carcass moves further down the line.
Check the quality on these. We need to discard the ones on the left.
The process is brutal, but efficient. This facility processes 50 tons of meat an hour. The facility processes thousands of pounds of meat daily, maintaining strict hygiene standards throughout the assembly line.
Every carcass must be meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the strict quality standards before moving to the next stage. Utilizing specialized tools, the skilled butcher separates the primal cuts, ensuring maximum efficiency before the product moves down the line.
This one needs reprocessing. There's still hide attached here.
Tray 7 showing a pH spike. Adjusting the regulator now.
Level stabilizing. Good catch.
Monsters. Analysis of the dromedary carcass shows a lean meat yield of 78%. Data confirms quality.
These projections place Saudi Arabia as the undisputed top importer. With our new efficiency protocols, we are securing the #1 position globally.
Make sure the alignment is correct before you start the cycle.
Got it. Should I increase the pressure setting here?
This blue mark confirms the carcass has passed its safety inspection. It's a vital step in quality control.
So here you want to follow the natural seam of the muscle. This ensures a clean separation and maximizes yield from the carcass.
We need to speed up the line. Get this moved to refrigeration now.
The automated conveyor system rapidly moves the processed materials into the chute below, maintaining peak efficiency around the clock.
The conveyor system ensures maximum efficiency as the product moves from initial trim to final packaging in mere minutes.
Maintaining strict quality control is essential at this stage. Ensure all specifications are met before the product moves to the next section.
This crate is full, ready for the next one. Okay, I'll clear the belt here.
The video opens in a brightly lit industrial meat processing facility. Character A butcher with dark hair and a...
In this brightly lit industrial facility, Character A, wearing Felletti team on his coat, proudly displays a richly marbled ribeye steak.
We verify the precise weight of the product here. This data is critical for maintaining our quality control standards and ensuring accurate distribution.
As you can see, the powerful stream quickly dislodges the debris from the textured surface and washes it directly into the floor drain.
Keep the line moving, we're falling behind schedule. I need more hooks on station 3. We separate the cap from the main loin here, ensuring a clean cut for the dry aging process.
The automated system ensures each cut is perfectly positioned before vacuum sealing, optimizing freshness and extending shelf life.
Every cut processed by the Felletti team undergoes strict inspection. We ensure premium quality, sealed fresh, every single time.
Our premium ribeye steaks are hand-selected and then perfectly sealed for freshness, locking in that rich flavor.
The grinder continues to extrude the freshly processed meat into the large collection bin below. As the products move rapidly along the conveyor system, each one is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets our high-quality standards.
Here at the facility, we've revolutionized camel milking, combining ancient practices with modern technology under the desert sky.
This state-of-the-art facility utilizes advanced automation to ensure the highest quality camel milk production.
The somatic cell count on this line is elevated.
Yeah, the data confirms that. Look at the spike in conductivity readings right here.
So we start by thoroughly cleaning the udder with a sterile wipe. This is crucial for preventing mastitis and ensuring milk quality.
The milking cluster is attached, and the machine begins its gentle pulsation cycle, efficiently drawing the milk.
First, we clean the area thoroughly. Maintaining hygiene is essential before we begin the milking process.
Keep it coming slow. Right there, drop it down. Clear on this side.
Here at the facility, milk is continuously processed, ensuring quality control as it fills the containers, monitored precisely by the automated sensors.
Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. Watch as the automated line perfectly fills and seals every tub of Camelicious, ensuring quality and freshness in every bite.
We're monitoring the dissolved oxygen levels here, adjusting the flow rate now to compensate for the slight decrease we observed earlier.
Advanced automation allows us to fill and seal each bottle with precision, maintaining the highest standards of quality control.
The automated systems ensure peak efficiency, moving thousands of bottles from the filling stations to packaging every hour. As the sun sets, the journey continues across the endless sands.